Professor Snape, can I have a word with Harry? Very well, Dumbledore. Harry, let me see that corner dressed. You couldn't stay away from the toaster, could you?
So here's some broomstick sounds. And I'm just going to take this bristle sound and I'm just going to slip some more bass on there, just whoop. And here we go. There it is.
Now I will take the shaft sound and I will convert that into musical
Next, we're going to take this and do this. Yay! That's it. We're just going to use all that stuff, and then I'm going to put some other broom sweeping dingles in there, and that is what I call a clean sweep.